Ooh, sun's bright. Let's try to start the car. Oh, that's right. I have a security feature. Now it starts up fine. So what it does is it disconnects the startup, the starting mechanism. I am not a car guy. I think I paid $35. I bought, essentially it was just a couple thin wires, some instructions, and a switch. And what you do is you wire it to your starter. It turns on and cuts off the startup wire. It's a fairly simple fix. These wires used to be connected. You split them, then it goes out to a switch that's located in my cab, and that's what enables me to shut off the engine or to be able to re-enable it when I want to restart it up. It's a lot safer than, say, the battery cutoffs that some people deploy. It only affects a startup. You don't want to be driving down the freeway and have your battery cut off. It's a safety feature. But if you shut off the startup, if someone tries to steal your car and they can't start the car, it's enough to keep your car safe from being stolen, I think. I think most thieves want to get something that's easy, something that's not going to take them too much effort. If they can't start your car, do they really want to stick around, open the hood, figure out how you've rewired your car? Thieves can target your car at any time. My parents live in a really nice neighborhood of Lakewood, Colorado, this suburb. They're also part of this website called Nextdoor, which kind of gets them paranoid, I think. But they told me a story of how like 10 cars were broken into in their neighborhood, and some were stolen and just driven away. And if you're traveling around in your truck and you have all your lively possessions within it, it might behoove you to pay $35 of cheap insurance to get a shut-off controller put into your car. I put one in, threaded it through the door access and to the switch that I'm not going to show you the location of, but you can do it. You can install it in any other place. Some people put it in their glove compartment. My glove compartment isn't lockable, so I don't put it there. I just put it in a not so obvious place. And that way it's just additional insurance to make sure that my truck and everything in it isn't stolen. There's a kit sold through a guy on Amazon and also on eBay. He sells these kits. All you have to do is send him the make and model of your car. He sends you the equipment to install the shutoff on your own. I'm not a car guy and I installed it. Now I'll switch it on and it starts up fine. What it gives them is the illusion that there's something wrong with your car. Well, I hope this tip helped you. Happy trails!